In today's video I'll show you how to record your screen on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. We can use the built-in screen recorder, so open the control center first by swiping down from the very top right corner of the screen. Look for the screen recording option. If it's just an icon, it looks like a solid circle with a circle outline around it. You might need to add the button by long pressing in some space, then choose Add a Control, and then drag and drop it in. Before you tap on the button to start recording, you can long press on it. This allows you to change the recording settings. For example, you can choose to include the microphone on your device in the recording. Tap on the button once to start recording, then record your screen after the countdown ends, and then tap on it again to stop and save the video. You can then check out the recording in the Photos app. You could alternatively try a third-party screen recorder from the App Store if you wanted more customization options. That's how to record your screen on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.